Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about division, product and introduction to factors. Mathematics is a systematic study, so you need to understand each concept in depth. Let us start with the division. Example: 9 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Got 1. Here 1 is the remainder. 9 is the dividend. 4 is the quotient. 2 is the divisor. Please remember all these terms because these terms we are going to use very frequently in upcoming sessions. Let us try to understand how to divide or rules of division with examples. First example, 73 divided by 7. First rule is you have to always start with the leftmost digit of the dividend. Here the leftmost digit is 7. Then you have to compare the current digit with the divisor. If the current digit is greater than or equal to the divisor, then you can proceed with the division. So here 7 is equal to 7, then definitely we can proceed with the division. So 7 ones are 7, you got 0. Next, bring down the next digit, that is 3. Now again, you have to compare the current digit with the divisor. Here, 3 is less than 7. So you cannot divide it. How to divide then? You have to keep 0 here. Then 0 multiplied by 7 gives you 0. So 3. 3 is the remainder and 10 is the quotient. So what you have learned? This is very important. You have to start with the leftmost digit of the dividend. You have to compare the current digit with the divisor. If it is greater than or equal to the divisor, you can proceed with the division. If it is less than the divisor, then you have to keep 0 in the quotient, then proceed further. You have to continue this process until all the digits in the dividend got processed. Got it? Let us move on to the next example. This is very simple. 23 divided by 4. Second example. So again, start with the leftmost digit of the dividend. Here the leftmost digit is 2. 2 is less than 4. You cannot divide. So in such cases, you have to add 0 and consider the next digit for division. So now it becomes 23. 23 is greater than 4. So you can divide it. 4 5s are 20. 3 is the remainder and 5 is the quotient. Got it? Let us move on to the next example, that is third example. 8145 divided by 9. Again, you have to start with the leftmost digit of the dividend. Here the leftmost digit is 8, which is less than the divisor 9. So you cannot divide it. So in such situations, you have to keep 0 and consider the next digit for division. Now it becomes 81. So 9 nines are 81. 0. You got 0. Next, bring next digit, that is 4, down. Again same process. 4 is less than 9. You cannot divide it. So you have to keep 0 here and bring next digit down. Now 4 5s are 45. So 0 is the remainder. This is the quotient. Got it? Let us try to understand with another example. 5436 divided by 9. So again we have to start with the leftmost digit of the dividend. Here the leftmost digit is 5, which is less than the divisor 9. You cannot divide it. So you are adding 0 in the quotient and considering next digit for division. Now it became 54. Definitely 54 is greater than 9. We can divide it. So 9 6 are 54. Got 0. Next, bring next digit down, that is 3. Again, the current digit is 3, which is less than 9. You cannot divide it. Keep 0 in the quotient and bring the next digit down. Now, 36 is greater than 9. Definitely you can proceed with the division. So 9 4s are 36. 0. So here it is the remainder and 604 is the quotient. So with these examples, let us try to move on to the next topic, that is product. What is a product? Example, 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. 6 is the product. The product 6 you got by multiplying two numbers 2 and 3. Similar way, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 30. Here 30 is the product. The product 30 you got by multiplying 3 numbers 2, 3 as well as 5. So let us go to the definition of the product. It says product is the result of multiplying two or more numbers. Got it? Next, let us recap what we have learnt. So in case of division, we have learned that we have to start with the leftmost digit of the dividend. Exactly. Then we have to compare the current digit with the divisor. If the current digit is greater than or equal, then we can continue with the division. If it is less than the divisor, then we need to add 0 to the quotient and we need to consider next digit for the division. We have to continue this process until all the digits of the dividend are processed. So final word is we have to divide all the digits of the dividend by the divisor to complete the division. So here let us try to understand one more thing. It is just an introduction of factors. 2 multiplied by 4 gives you 8. Here 8 is the product. So I am going to call this as a given number. The product 8 you got by multiplying two numbers 2 and 4. So these two numbers we are going to call them as factors. Here 2 and 4 are factors of 8. Okay. With this we are going to end today's session. Tomorrow we are going to learn about divisibility rules. I mean divisibility rule for 2 to divisibility rule for 11. Stay with me. Thank you.